Hi, welcome back to the Crypto Hangout, where we talk all things crypto 7 days a week. Before you watch the video, take a second to hit the like and subscribe button to help us get to 100 subscribers by December. Thanks for clicking. Enjoy. Welcome back, everybody. This is Crypto Crane. Today is Monday, August 16th, 2021. I have another edition of the crypto news for you today. And as you can see, we're doing something different. I'm actually showing my face on camera today. I'm rocking the Dallas Mavericks for the home team. I am a Dallas native, so I support all things Dallas, Dallas Mavericks, Dallas Cowboys, Texas Rangers, Frisco Rough Riders, Dallas Stars, anything Dallas I always support. So do not say anything bad about my Mavs. All right. So we got some news for you guys today. Um, Not a lot, but some good news um, that you need to know. Crypto markets are doing crazy today. Actually going up, they're rising up. We predicted that in the group that they would be rising up today. I did a couple of consultations over the weekend, and everything looks like it's hitting exactly as planned. Shout out to those for reaching out for the consult. So we'll go ahead and get started. Um, so what we have first up, we have 13 banks are investing in crypto, and these are major banks. So I think you'll be quite surprised at some of these banks that are investing in crypto, because some of these banks are won't allow you to purchase crypto on certain platforms. So stay tuned for that. We have Forum Pay. Forum Pay joins forces with ZBX, bringing cryptos to Malta, to the Malta gaming world, making it easier for gamers to deposit fiat and crypto into their gaming platforms and vice versa. Okay, we'll be covering a little bit of that as well. As well as covering the Treasury is coming to the rescue. Officials in the Treasury to clarify crypto tax reporting rules in the infrastructure bill. That'd be big. It'd be long awaited for. It's something that's definitely needed. So we can have some kind of stability in these markets, and not only that, we'll have some type of understanding of what the requirements are going to be, far as reporting, um, crypto gains for those who plan to do so. We also have crypto markets tops 2 trillion for the first time in nearly 3 months as Bitcoin rallies. It rallied up over the weekend, running up to 47,000 before pulling back here recently this morning. So we're going to cover that a little bit too. And we also have homeowners offered crypto-backed loans to finance home improvement projects. So as you can see, DeFi world and the crypto world is getting into the home improvements, and instead of getting into expanding the space. So we'll delve into that. What platform is offering uh, crypto loans for home improvement projects? We'll go deep inside of that as well today. Also, we have Solana surging, and partly and so because of Degenerate Apes uh, drop that was dropped over the weekend. So we'll be covering that too, the price of that, and Degenerate Apes. We'll be covering that here on this episode. And then we have Microsoft to partner. Well, not to partner. Microsoft wants to use Ethereum for piracy. They're trying to stop the piracy of software on some of their platforms, and they want to use Ethereum to do that. So we're going to delve into this article and see exactly what's going on with that. All right, so you guys stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed to the channel already. There it is. Click on the button right there and subscribe. And go ahead and catch me on Twitter right here. Subscribe. And we're doing big things right there. All right, so we'll go ahead and we'll delve into the crypto news. All right. Degenerate apes cause Solana to surge into crypto. Degenerate apes are aping into Solana, causing a high-performance blockchain project to lead crypto gainers this morning. The Ethereum competitor surged past Uniswap's Uni token and at least one widely used coin ranking website this morning to become the number 10 crypto with a market cap of $16.2 billion. So Sol tokens were changing hands at US $56, up to 24.9% in the past 24 hours and up 50% in the last 7 days. And the reason doesn't seem to have much to do with Solana's innovative proof of history mechanism for reaching network consensus, its new wormhole for transporting tokens from Solana to Terra, Ethereum, and Binance Smart Chains, or the launch of the new Solana-powered decentralized exchange, Mango Markets. No, it's freaking apes. The Degen Ape Academy NFT project sold out its collection of the 10,000 smoothest brained apes in the 8 minutes during its launch over the weekend. The minting fee was 6 SOL tokens, about $336 per ape, but the added transaction fee to use the Solana platform is minuscule. Other popular NFT launches on Ethereum have badly clogged the network, causing gas fees to skyrocket so high that transactions momentarily cost hundreds of dollars in Ether. The Degen Ape project admitted on its Twitter feed that the launch was shitty at best, as the team was overwhelmed with the wave that hit us in the past week. It was exponentially bigger than we thought, they wrote, promising quick refunds to users who tried to mint apes but found them sold out. But those who did get apes were pretty happy with them. And as you can see, man, these apes are actually pretty cool. Unique and whatnot. There's only 10,000 made, so there is scarcity. So the price floor for the Degen Apes on Solana this morning was 13.8 SOL, meaning those who had been lucky enough to mint them had at least doubled their money in just 24 hours. A number of apes have recently sold for 25 SOL or so, with the ape sporting a beer hat fetching 100 SOL, $5,600 early this morning. Its new owner had already relisted it for 500 SOL. ForumPay joins forces with ZBX to bring crypto payments to Malta gaming industry. ForumPay, the global cryptocurrency payments technology provider, is delighted to announce a partnership with ZBX, the Maltese crypto exchange, to enable the 250 million plus crypto wallet holders around the world to use their crypto for deposits with local iGaming sites. The partnership with ZBX, a Class 4 VFA service provider with the MFSA, Malta Financial Services Authority, enables ForumPay to offer the first fully compliant crypto payment solution for MGA, Malta Gaming Authority, licensed gaming operators and their players. Thanks to this collaboration, the depositing experience is even easier than using a credit card. To make a deposit with a favorite crypto and wallet, a player simply scans the QR code presented in the online cashier. The crypto is instantly converted into fiat at the best available exchange rate for deposit into the player's account. After this quick step, the iGaming site will automatically be notified of the crypto equivalent in fiat awarded to the player so that they can access their funds immediately for play. This hassle-free process is a major milestone for crypto adoption in the gaming world, as it lets crypto holders convert just the amount they plan on betting with. Homeowners offer crypto-backed loans to finance home improvement projects. Many homeowners find it hard to finance home improvement projects that would raise their living standards, as they are stuck with local liquidity of their properties. Applying for a home equity line of credit or other bank loans involves credit checks, and approval takes a long time. Crypto asset lending firm Pledge has joined forces with 247pro.com, a construction estimate and management platform, to offer cryptocurrency holders among homeowners quick access to home improvement loans that they can take against their digital coins. The two companies have recently signed a partnership agreement. Pledge emphasizes the deal will allow it to provide clients with an opportunity to use their crypto assets as collateral to finance their home improvement projects. Typically, homeowners will take months to get a HELOC, or home improvement loans from banks. There are long loan applications to be filled out. Banks run credit checks against borrowers. The company CEO, Tony Chen, noted, further elaborating, for Pledge loans can be funded in less than 30 seconds. Borrowers do not have to fill out any loan applications. We won't be doing any credit checks or underwriting. Everything is automatic and with smart contracts. Treasury to the rescue. Officials to clarify crypto tax reporting rules in infrastructure bill. Speaking on condition of anonymity, an official has reportedly told Bloomberg that the Treasury Department is planning to clarify the definition of broker in the recent passed infrastructure bill. The United States Treasury Department is reportedly seeking to clarify the definition of brokers in the bipartisan infrastructure bill passed by the Senate last week. offering cautious reassurance that the new legislation won't impact innovation and growth in the blockchain industry. As reported by Bloomberg, the Treasury Department is preparing guidance on what types of crypto companies will be required to comply with new Internal Revenue Service reporting requirements. The report indicated that the definition of broker could be narrowed from what many fear would include protocol developers and wallet providers that currently operate in the crypto industry. A Treasury official reportedly told Bloomberg that developers, miners, and wallet providers won't be subject to new reporting requirements, provided they don't act as brokers. The Treasury's guidance won't grant blanket exemptions based on how firms identify themselves, and instead focus on whether a firm's activities qualify it as a broker under the tax code, wrote Christopher Connon and Laura Davison. At the time of writing, the Treasury Department has yet to confirm publicly whether these plans are true. Microsoft wants to use Ethereum blockchain to fight piracy. The major software developer's new plan to combat piracy relies on the transparency of blockchain technology. Windows operating system and Office productivity suite have always been top performers on any platform piracy platforms. So it's no wonder that Microsoft and the developer of both products worked hard to establish anti-piracy measures. In a new paper released by Microsoft's research department, with the participation of researchers from Alibaba, Carnegie Mellon University, the Redmond-based software giant studied a blockchain-based incentive program to bolster anti-piracy campaigns. As the title of the research, Argus, a fully transparent incentive system for anti-piracy campaigns, suggests, Microsoft's new system relies on the transparency aspect of blockchain technology. Built on the Ethereum blockchain, Argus aims to provide a trustless incentive mechanism while protecting data collected from the open anonymous population of piracy reporters. We see this as a distributed system problem, the paper stated. In the implementation, we overcome to set unavoidable obstacles to ensure security despite full transparency. Argus enables backtracing of pirated content to the source with a corresponding watermark algorithm, which is detailed in the paper, also named proof of leakage. Each report of leaked content involves an information hiding procedure. This way, no one but the informer can report the same watermark copy without actually owning it. Interesting. So this could probably actually be big for the music industry, movie industry, etc. If they can stop, backtrace to the source of the pirated content, that actually could stop piracy altogether. So that could be big. 13 banks have invested the most in crypto and blockchain to date. Financial institutions are grabbing for a piece of the booming 2 trillion cryptocurrency market, with 13 of the world's largest banks pushing roughly $3 billion in funding so far into cryptocurrency and blockchain companies, according to analytics company Blockdata. The data firm, in an updated report this week, published a list of 13 banks that led in terms of size of funding rounds as a proxy of investment in the crypto space, saying it used the measures as banks participated in funding rounds with multiple or many other investors. London-based Standard Chartered leads the list with $380 million in valuation of the funding rounds, in which it participated with its London-based rival Barclays, ranked as the most active investor based on the number of investments in blockchain companies. Blockdata found that 55% of the world's 100 biggest banks by assets under management are investing directly or indirectly in companies and projects related to digital currencies and blockchain. So here's a list of the 13 banks and how much money they have invested and the number of investments that they have in either cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology companies, crypto companies. So while they are stopping you from buying crypto with your credit or debit card in certain countries or certain platforms that are outside of the country, they are buying crypto up hand over foot. They're trying to find a way to get into the market before retail does, but they are late. So it's going to be hard for them to stop what's already been taking place. Definitely hard. So right here we have number one Standard Chartered, $380 million with 6 investments. BNY Mellon, $321 million, 5 investments. We have Citibank, $279 million and 14 investments. UBS, $266 million and 5 investments. We have BNP Paribas, 236 million in 9 investments. We have Morgan Stanley, 234 million with 3 investments. We have JP Morgan Chase with 206 million in 8 investments. We have Goldman Sachs, 204 million in 8 investments. We have MUFG, 185 million in 6 investments. ING, 170 million in 6 investments. And also, go back to number 9, that MUFG is Japan. They also have a big investment chunk in Coinbase. Just wanted to point that out to you guys. So back to number 11, BBVA, 167 million in 5 investments. Nomura, 146 million in 5 investments. And then 13, the Barclays with 12 million in 22 investments. So as you can see, these banks they're not stupid. They're jumping into it because they want to be able to provide crypto services to retail. If not, then they will. It's kind of like they'll become the middleman and they're getting kicked out. The middleman is getting kicked out, should I say. So therefore, they're trying to figure out ways where they can get ahead, catch up and get ahead. And custody of crypto would be one of them. So crypto market tops 2 trillion for the first time in nearly 3 months as Bitcoin rallies. Bitcoin topped 48,000 over the weekend, its highest level since May, but paired some of those gains on Monday. On Saturday, the digital coin hit $48,126, its highest level since May 17th, according to CoinDesk data. It last traded at $46,351, according to CoinMatrix. The Bitcoin recovery comes after it sold off heavily in June and July, dropping below 30,000, following a record high of over 64,000 in April. I do believe this, talking about Bitcoin's rise, is the result of massive accumulation. When Bitcoin was trading around 29,000 to 30,000, according to Vijay Iyer, head of business development at cryptocurrency exchange RUNUP, Bitcoin's rise lifted the value of the entire cryptocurrency market above 2 trillion on Saturday for the first time since mid-May, according to data from CoinMarketCap, which tracks the prices of digital coins. The crypto market has faced a number of headwinds over the summer. One of the biggest was the renewed regulatory scrutiny on the industry from authorities in China, which has forced Bitcoin mining operations to shut down and move elsewhere. That was one of the biggest reasons for Bitcoin dropping below the $30,000 level. Meanwhile, the U.S. Senate passed a massive infrastructure bill last week without any of the proposed amendments on crypto tax reporting that had delayed its passage. That was seen as a blow for the crypto community, but some said it showed the U.S. government was taking the industry seriously. These fundamental regulatory roadblocks have clipped their market wings in the near term, said Jihan Chu, founder of the cryptocurrency-focused venture capital and trading firm Kinetic Capital. And I actually of the opposite opinion. I think that once regulatory clarity comes out and the crypto market is, these companies have some type of clarification and understand what's a security and what's not, and I think that the market will actually take off and actually skyrocket. I'm of that opinion. Regulatory clarity brings with it a certain amount of financial stability. So I can't wait to see what they come up with and what the final bill is going to be. Hopefully they add some of those amendments from Senator Loomis and Senator Toomey that they had brought up 2 weeks ago. We know that it passed in the House, but it's going, in the Senate, but it's going to the House. So hopefully we can get something amendment and they can work something out to where we can get a more favorable crypto bill for miners, validators, and node operators like myself. So before we head out, let's take a look at the markets and see what they're doing to cryptocurrencies. The time is 2:58, and Bitcoin looks like it's down 0.49%. 24 hours, Ethereum is down 0.42. Binance is up 3.92%. Cardano is down 0.91%. XRP is down 5.18%. Dogecoin is up 1.83%. And Polkadot is up 9.05%. Solana, which we just talked about, is up 19.29% and 61% in a week. Uniswap is up 2.73% in 24 hours. Chainlink is up 6.86, well 6.3% in 24 hours. Polygon Matic 3.03%. Terra Luna 21.21%. Ethereum Classic is down 5.1%. And Stellar Lumens down 2.29%. VeChain down 1.22%. And ICP is up 1.9%, and Theta up 3.6%. And that will conclude today's news. All right, August 16th, 2021. Don't forget to like, comment below. Tell me what you think. Subscribe to the channel if you like the content that I provided for you and the news that you've seen. All right, subscribe to the Twitter to catch up to more date news, almost up to the minute. I'm going to say up to the minute, but almost up to the minute, as we post on Twitter regularly. All right, this is the Crypto Hangout. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace.